Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the three major US indices. But before I start today's video, anyone who is interested in joining my trading signal group over on Telegram, then make sure you visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. The website link is in the description of today's video. It will bring you to my website, and then all you have to do to join my signal group is simply scroll down and click here, subscribe. It costs $29, which is a very small fee considering how much money you will likely make whilst being in my group. Just to summarize, the start of 2024, I sent out 4 signals and all 4 of them have closed in profit. And this year so far, we're up 6.2%. So it's been a very good start to the year. So don't forget, if you'd like to join my signal team, visit the link in today's video's description. But let's get started with today's video. S&P currently trading at 4,777, which is actually a pretty good going, especially considering all of the news that we got over the weekend, especially with China's comments about Taiwan's election. We of course had the missile that hit the US ship south of Yemen. And of course, if we just quickly go back to Saturday, I think it was Saturday morning, Friday evening, depending where you are in the world, we had US and the UK, which carried out a series of missile attacks in Yemen against the Houthis. So lots going on, but the S&P 500 trading flat, hasn't really paid too much attention to that. We've got stocks today like AMD. Look at this explosive move towards the upside. That stock's nearly up 10%. That's nearly added $25 billion to its market cap today, trading back pretty much near its all-time high. Stocks like Nvidia as well, that's up 3.65%. You know, this is a company that's worth more than $1 trillion. So it just shows you how much money is getting pumped into these stocks in a daily basis for them to have these huge returns. But you know, I think that's something that's definitely carrying the market. We've got stocks like Apple today, which is down 1.23%, but that's not bad considering the fact it did briefly go down to 180. So it was roughly another 2% lower than where it is trading right now. Moving over to the Nasdaq100, Nasdaq100 trading in the positive today, of course, with some tech names like the ones I just showed you, trading largely in positive territory, and we're continuing to see this upside movement. And then finally, the DowJones30 has been quite choppy for the Dow, currently trading at 37,427. We've paired some of the losses that we've seen, still trading in this minor uptrend. But I must express my concern for the Dow and the S&P 500. If we just quickly go back to the S&P 500, for example, we're seeing the stock or the indice price move higher, but we've got some bearish divergence here on the RSI. As well as that, we're seeing the dollar breakout here. We're also seeing the 10-year start to break higher as well. And this is, of course, very negative for the US indice market. So I am looking to short here. I actually have some shorts open, especially in my signal team. I sent out some trades over the past couple of sessions. So don't forget, if you'd like to join, just make sure you click on the link in today's video to go and see what those trades are and copy them along with myself. But I'm looking for a breakdown here in price. I think the S&P 500 is at risk of falling down to 4,700 area, and I think the Dow Jones 30 could easily break back down towards 37,000. We just need a day where we're down, let's say 1 or 1.5%, and we might just need a catalyst that actually sends us there. And it hasn't really been what's been going on in Yemen, but maybe it's something, some comments from the chairman, Jerome Powell. Maybe it's the comments from a Fed official. I'm not quite sure, but I think that perhaps we do need a catalyst that's going to trigger, a slightly sharp move lower. Also, I just want to quickly show you, if I just quickly take you over to my Telegram group chat, I posted a chart. This is what the average month in January in a election year dating back to 1950 looks like, and this is where we currently find ourselves trading right now. We are currently on the 12th trading session of the month, and we are expecting to see some downwards volatility over the coming sessions before a larger bounce going into the end of the month. So that's where I'm currently at this moment in time. Thank you very much for watching today's video, guys. Don't forget, if you'd like to join my signal team, then visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. The website link is in the description of today's video, and it costs only $29 to receive my daily market research as well as copy my own personal trades that I take on my live trading account. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all tomorrow.